These are things.
Con mucho cariño, con mucho amor y respeto se despiden entre ustedes.
Cut this bunch down and start eating.
I ain't no joke, I used to let the mic smoke, but now I slam it when I'm done to discourage the blokes from even picking up the mic and proceeding to rhyme. What you doing ain't rhyming, why you wasting my time? And to me time is money and my money is time. There's no need to prove a point when your skills sublime. You either co-sign them or you endorse me.
Alright, today we are at the Volkis Fest in Rincon in our town, and it's a pretty busy day. Lots of cars and of course lots of Volkswagen and Beetles and buses everywhere. So we're gonna go check out, see all the things that they have in store. Woo! These are things.
Internal tables, selling out shows ready, willing and able. Now you look at me like I'm a dinosaur. Man, I hope you find what you were looking for. Cause to me there's two rules to being an MC. One, you gotta love it, and two, you can't be strictly for the cash or FAME. If you do, you'll probably be a fading memory. Just give me two turntables, two turntables and the microphone. Just give me two turntables, two turntables and the microphone. Just give me two turntables, two turntables and the microphone. Just give me two turntables, two turntables.
Aiden, mira esto. ¿Qué es esto?
Here you go, Aiden. It's cold just for you.
Remember when you couldn't carry two? But a millionaire's taste on the beggar's budget. Now you got a lot of fans and your name is hot. Too busy showing everybody all the things you got. New car, new crib, living life real big. Friends for a new black bitch. Blowing money by the minute like you just don't care. Back in the day, it wasn't what you wear. You used to have to do the thing like nobody else did. And baby boy, this is how we...
Farm fresh eggs. Rainbow of colors. Good job, chickens. Getting some peppers for the dinner tonight. These are growing so good. Here, and green ones. These are still pretty little. Maybe I'll get some spicy ones too. Cayenne. Peppers grow so good here. Nice big spicy one here. Looking real pretty out. We have to keep watering lately. Right? Tonight I'm making enchiladas. So these are some of the peppers from our garden and some other ones from the store. Cheese, sour cream, enchilada sauce. You can make your own, but I just buy it in the can. I'll add a few beans in them too. Tortillas and some chicken. So first I have to saute everything. So I will be sauteing the chicken, the cheese, and the beans, and the peppers. Hot peppers too, because I like it a little spicy, and the garlic. And then once that's all mixed up, then I will start filling the tortillas. Okay, this is the filling being simmered right now with the sauce, cheese, beans, chicken, peppers, garlic. As soon as this is cooked down, I will start filling up. And I also chopped up some olives to put up on top. And the final touch will be sour cream on the very top after it cooks in the oven for about 30 minutes or so. Alright, now it's ready to go into the oven. So in about 30 minutes or so, we will be eating. Yum. Aiden, ¿qué es eso? What did you find?
I found a cat.
What kind is it?
It's a furry cat. It's this kind of cat.
Coming out?
Hmm?
That's a real big one.
Yeah.
It's like bigger than your hand almost.
Mm.
Is he wandering around? Can I see him? Can I see
Yeah.
his claw? Lift him up. Wow. That's pretty cool. Good job. Just wandering around in the forest. We're here in Rincon. There's some sort of a car show going on with live music and lots of cool looking cars.
What do you think, Aiden?
I think it's good.
Con mucho cariño, con mucho amor y respeto se despiden entre ustedes los originales del merengue que nos dicen hasta la próxima.
Look at this. We have one of the biggest quesitos in Puerto Rico, and we got some of these cute little
This is
tortas
freaking half.
de
That one
panadería
should be for me.
in Rincon. Woohoo! Buen provecho.
Mom, I want this one.
Say buen provecho.
I
All right, this is Terry. He brought us some baby ducks. Aww.
Hey, buddy.
These are khaki ducks. We've never done ducks before. Thanks, Terry.
Well, you are now. So you owe me 3 dozen eggs
Oh, there you go.
someday.
Oh, they're so cute. Beautiful flower. Wow, look at all these flowers blooming. The Carolina tree, the shaving brush. So yummy.
Good morning. Yep. Hello, days.
Beautiful morning. What do you got, babe?
A gecko. He's so
Caught it
soft.
this morning?
Yep. Kitty caught it for me.
Oh, the kitty cat did, and then he gave it to you? Oh, he's so cute.
Are you taking a picture of Pumpkin?
Yep.
Why are you taking a picture of him? Why are you taking pictures of him?
Pumpkin. Today's order of flowers. Have some microphone gingers, regular red ginger, Wagneriana, some other heliconias, big bright red one, Hakini, another Hakini, and a Yamamoto. Beautiful order. And a little kitty cat. This is a really pretty one called a Lady Lydia. New ducks.
You don't want to come out?
Yeah. Okay, Aiden, now. Do you want to get the huevos?
Yeah.
Okay.
Aiden cakers.
Right
We're gonna get the eggs.
Here, baby, grab the.
And I already looked. Egg. One egg.
Yay!
It's in the middle.
Good job, buddy.
It's only if you know.
And we'll check later for more, huh?
Stack him in this box again.
This coconut palm is leaning over a lot. We're going to try to prop it back up, I think. Or have to take off the leaves so it curves back up. I don't know what happened. Maybe a wind blew it over. It's still alive. And this is a tamarind tree, tamarindo. It's starting to grow. And there's our avocado tree. No avocados on it right now. Doing pretty good, considering how dry it's been. These are some of our new plants. We've got a cactus, a desert rose. This is a white guava, some palms, variety of types. This is an olive tree, which I've never seen growing in Puerto Rico, but it was for sale, so we figured we'd give it a shot. This is a mango tree that already had flowers. We have a lot of mangoes on the farm, but the big varieties are a little bit more desirable. This is, I believe, an aki. This is a canistilla. And this one is a Doviales negro, which I'm not sure what that is, but whenever I see something I don't know, then we pick it up. And here's some of the plants that are here, a little bit dried out, but doing pretty good. Now that we're back. Hi.
Hi everybody. Welcome to today's episode of This Old Finca. I'm your host, Britton. Today we're doing a little bit of woodwork. This deck has been here since we bought the place. We've had to do some work to it. This is the second time. But it gets brutal sun in the morning and rain, and eventually the wood just gives out. So we're putting it all back together and varnishing everything real thick before we use nice stainless steel screws to put it all back together in the hopes that it lasts a few more years this time. Hey everybody, welcome to today's edition of This Old Finca. Today we found some unexpected plantains that are ripe. We looked up and they're yellow at the top and green at the bottom, so perfect timing. We'll go ahead and cut this bunch down and start eating. There we go. They're pretty big. Wow.
tonight's simple dinner is amarillos, plátanos, with ají peppers and eggs. Straight from the farm. You ready to eat some?
Yeah. I'm ready to eat them now.
Okay.
Let me see.
Okay, the plátanos are growing up nice. I got the egg mixture coming in. So like a little omelet. Amarillos, huevos, and ají peppers. Buen provecho. Alright, so today we are here at Volkis at the Animal Rescue Foundation Arts annual St. Patrick's Day party. So we're having a good time, and it's in there. But we had to take a little break out here.